Now we'll consider Jordan Peterson's idea that postmodernism is neo-Marxism in disguise. And he said in many YouTube videos that he strongly dislikes postmodernism, and he often critiques postmodern ideas and use them as an example of neo-communism or neo-Marxism in the postmodern world. And he thinks that postmodernism is a really faulty theory because he believes it is neo-Marxism in disguise, and he strongly opposes neo-Marxism as a conservative. And some postmodernism, such as Michel Foucault, used to be neo-Marxist, but this does not mean that postmodernism as a whole is neo-Marxist. And in fact, postmodern theories can differ and vary in many ways. So postmodernism doesn't necessarily need to be taken in a left-wing direction. So for example, Thomas Kuhn was a right-wing postmodernist, and he was a strong traditionalist and believed in many conservative ideas. And there's also a alt-right thinker called Nick Land, who's still living today, and he's a postmodernist, and he's also right-winger as well. So I guess the interesting thing about this is that even though postmodernism is a political theory to an extent and considers socio-economic parts of the ways we live in our world today, it can really be taken in any direction. And it's better to think of postmodernism more as a tool rather than a set doctrine that you need to believe in. And instead, it's just a way of looking about things.